Hello everyone, I'm Chef Vlad and today I'm going to be showing you how to make bread and butter pickles. Woo! For this recipe you're going to need some beautiful cucumbers, some mustard seeds, a little pickling spice, turmeric, sugar, vinegar. That's it. Let's get to it. To start off, we're going to slice our cucumbers. We're going to cut the ends off. We don't want that. We're going to go 1/4 inch or fairly large slices. Now that we got our cucumber sliced to the desired thickness, we're going to take some beautiful sea salt. We're going to salt them. You're going to go a little heavy on the salt. We're going to let them sit for about an hour or two. This is going to give us that crunch that we're looking for. So now that you got the salt, mix it up. Cover with plastic and let it sit. Now in your pan, 2 cups sugar, 2 cups vinegar, pickling spices, turmeric, and mustard seeds. Bring that up to a boil. Now that our pickling liquid came up to a boil and all the sugar is dissolved, let it cool down to room temperature. After 3 hours sitting in salt in room temp, they should be fully salted.
They should have that amazing crunch.
Drain off this excess water and then pour your pickling liquid in. I'm gonna use this and then cover it up, store it in the cooler. Pickling liquid that we heated up, I poured it in here. I put a little bit of plastic to cover it up and gave it a little head space right here. And then in about 1 or 2 days they should be good, but in a week they'll be better, and then within a month you should eat them all. Since I had a little leftover pickling liquid, I salted the jalapenos, 2 or 3 jalapenos and a little bit of salt. And then this is gonna get them softened up just like the cucumbers. It's gonna give them that nice crunch. There is a little bit of the liquid, but I'm gonna keep it in here, why not? So I'm gonna put it in another container. So these will be jalapeno bread and butter pickles. Now if you're just a little shy on the liquid, don't be scared to add a little water. Same thing, we're gonna squeeze everything down. We're gonna put a little plastic, cover it, store it in the cooler. They're gonna be great in 2 days. They're gonna be even better within a week. And then you should eat them within 30 days. Keep them in the cooler.